morning, it's 5:50 a.m. and we're going today to Koko Head tramway. It is very popular hike and I'll explain later why we choose that time. But we have about like 30-40 minutes to go there. So let's go. So we made already almost half, I will say. We're actually only 0.2 miles away, but the elevation we still need to gain 500 feet. I have up here, so I can track. We're already tired, but we're not giving up. It's our third time actually here, so we'll see. First time was really hard. Second time I was okay. Today is more hot. Last time we went in November. Now it's already summer in Hawaii, but look at the view. Oh.
I'm just kidding.
It's like how we did in the beginning.
Yeah, we did it.
Good job.
It's okay.
We made it exactly 1 minute before sunrise.
Yeah.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait.
So in this part, you can take two roads. This one little scary. I usually go to all the way up. I go in here. Now I'm afraid. Ivan will go there and I'll go the safe way.
Let's do it. Bye.
Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up.
Every time I go up, I'm okay, but every time I go down, I'm afraid of that heights on that bridge. That's why I always take reroute. This trail is nice too.
Hey, you made it!
Woo!
Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like.
What do you do, guys? Changing them or?
Yeah, so every step that has the bolts,
Uh-huh.
those have been replaced.
Oh.
The ones that have spikes,
Uh-huh.
the old style railroad
Uh-huh.
spikes, those are the old ones.
Oh wow.
So we replaced most of the old ones. So there's an old one there.
Oh, that's very nice.
So we just knocked 3 out, 3 old ones out, and we're putting 2 new ones in.
Wow. So now I'll tell you why we're going that early. There is 3 at least main reasons. First, it's really getting hot. Now we were going down and I even sweat because sun starts going up like to the stairs. I'll show you later. And even now some of the stairs already under the sun. I can imagine how it will be like at 10 a.m., right? Like it's crazy. Then it's gonna get warmer and warmer. In the morning it's still cool, even though it's not cool, but it's still okay. Reason number 2, of course, you're gonna catch the sunrise. And today it was a little tricky because we got into that fog, but it was still amazing. But you never know, it's Hawaii, you know, it's weather, it's unpredictable. And reason number 3, you wake up so early. Now, what time is it now, by the way? Now it's 8 a.m. 8 a.m. We already had first breakfast. We already did that sport activity, and it's not nice sport activity. And we have whole beautiful day in Hawaii. So you got to spend, so you save that beautiful time because it's precious. I mean, we live here, we still appreciate every day, but if you travel here, like you know, you want to go to the beach somewhere else, then at the night drink the cocktail or like wine, champagne, whatever, after that hike. Yeah, that's very nice, right? First, but yeah, my point, yeah, you do that in the morning and you're free for the day and you did something amazing and it's very, you know, you get that energy. So yeah, you can go in any shoes basically, but I highly suggest to use like some of the hiking shoes because it's just safer for you. Of course, I saw people in barefoot in there, but I don't know, I always prefer feel safe. Oh yeah, hiking shoes, I will say it's mandatory. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah, we made it. So now it's what, 8:15. We came here at 5:50. So it took us 2.5 hours altogether, but we spent at the top. So if you go up, it's possible to make it within 30 minutes, like probably even 20. But for us, like safe time is 40, right? About 40 minutes to go up. 40, 45, like you take it easy, you take stops. I think first time I did it for 35 minutes or so, but I was so tired. You want to enjoy. So yeah, that's up, and all of the down, I think it's about 20 minutes, right? Taken 20, 30. So yeah, about an hour or something for a whole round trip, but you want to spend some time on the top. So yeah, that's not too bad, especially with the experience. I hope you guys loved it, and there will be more videos, so don't forget to subscribe, and aloha! Aloha! Did you enjoy your hike? Yeah? I'm glad that we went.
Yeah.
That we wake up on Saturday. We wake up at 4:40 a.m. I wake up today, but that was a good decision.
And we have a surprise here. Who is that? What's your name, buddy? Atin, you're beautiful.
She saw a turtle, so she's really excited.
Oh, really? There was a turtle?
Yeah, big.
Big. How did you teach her?
I just wanted her to come with me, and she's very trusting.
Trusting? I guess Hugo doesn't trust us much. Where is the turtle?
I'm not turtle.
She's like, but you could be. Oh, you're beautiful.